Hello everybody, my name is Dan Youngren with ReVent Ventilation Fans, and today we'll be unboxing a brand new ReVent ventilation fan so you know what comes with every purchase. Now right out of the box you're going to get a shield and trim ring. If you purchase a lighted model you'll get a selectable LED lighted shield, and if you purchase a humidity sensing model, the humidity sensing switch and the wiring kit will be in the box. But for today, we're just going to be talking about a shield-only model. The Stay Clean shield is simple and aesthetic and fits great in any room. And at the end of the day, it does not get dirty. The trim ring hides and seals that rough cut opening in the ceiling and also helps guide air out of the home and is better for performance. Now you'll also find the screw kit and wiring quick connects, the ReVent installation guide, and the ReVent cutting template. The cutting template is used for if the pre-existing hole is not large enough for the ReVent ventilation fan, although most ReVent models do not require additional cutting. Next, let's dive in and take a look at the fan itself. Here's our 80 CFM 0.8 zones ReVent ventilation fan with a 4-inch damper attached. Now the ReVent ventilation fan has what is called sheet lock technology with 1/2 or 5/8 inch tabs. This fan can mount directly to the sheetrock using no screws and no mounting to wood, and you don't have to take out the motor. Very simple, extremely fast. If you'd like to see just how easy this installation process is, please click the link in the description or click right here. Now the final piece is for new construction mounting only. There are standard mounting brackets in the bottom side of the housing. For any additional information, please visit reventfans.com or go to our YouTube channel. Thank you.